Minexa gives developers an API-ready system and gives non-technical users a browser workflow, both producing consistent, structured data when you scrape cryptocurrency prices. Open your target page. Minexa prepares to lock onto the correct data section, even when the page contains multiple repeated or nested structures. Launch Minexa. One simple panel to go from web page to structured data instantly. Press the button so Minexa begins analyzing how the page is built and how its data is distributed visually and structurally. Minexa has the full picture. Pagination was detected, and every run will go through all pages without stopping. Decide if the list view gives you enough, or if you need Minexa to click into each row and pull the full record. Click Continue if the data is already fully visible. Advanced mode lets you define steps like clicks or filters before extraction begins. Confirm the highlighted section and click Create Scraper. This generates a scraper you can reuse anytime through the browser extension or API. Every data point was detected automatically. Visible text, hidden attributes, and metadata are all there. Just pick what you need from the list or click it on the page. This includes prices, market caps, and volume data for cryptocurrencies. Click API Request to get code that scrapes from saved HTML files instead of hitting the live page every time. Consistent every time, click Complete Configuration and your scraper will produce the same structured output on every run. All result pages are covered. The scraper follows the full sequence automatically on every extraction. Your job is one click away. If you want results in Google Sheets automatically, connect it here before confirming. Click Run. Each field is pulled from its exact DOM-mapped selector, ensuring consistent column-level extraction across every page. This entire dataset was produced by a scraper that is now saved to your account. You can run it again right now through the extension or API without any retraining, across as many URLs as you need. Typical data points include coin names, current prices, market cap, volume, and price changes. Download your data. Missing fields show as blank, so only real values from the page appear in the file. Every value comes directly from the page. No interpretation, no guessing, just structured data exactly as it exists on the site.